Today, we're continuing the series Becoming a Money Magnet. In the previous sessions, we've been uncovering the hidden patterns that cause money to come into your life and then leave just as quickly. And today, we're going deeper into another powerful layer of this process: your ability to receive money without guilt. A lot of people say they want more money, but when it actually starts to come in, something inside of them tightens. It can feel like more pressure, more responsibility, or like you have to prove that you deserve it. And if receiving money doesn't feel safe or natural, your mind and body will quietly resist it. So today, we're going to begin shifting that pattern and allowing receiving to feel normal, safe, and natural for you. Before we begin tapping, let's briefly talk about how EFT works. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, and it combines focused awareness with tapping on specific acupressure points on the body. These points are connected to the body's meridian system. When you focus on a belief or emotional pattern while tapping, your nervous system begins to calm, and the emotional charge around that belief starts to dissolve. Over time, this allows your brain to update old programming and create a new, more supportive relationship with money, while receiving can feel safe instead of stressful. So now let's go through the tapping points so you can follow along. We start at the karate chop point on the side of the hand. Then we move through the sequence: inside of the eyebrow, the side of the eye on the bone, under the eye on the bone, under the nose, the chin, the collarbone, under the arm about 4 inches under the armpit, and the top of the head, like the crown of the head. Once we reach the top of the head, that completes one round. And then we begin again at the eyebrow point. You can tap on either side of your body like this, or use one hand or two hands. You can use 2 or 3 fingers, whatever feels most natural and comfortable to you. Now take a slow breath in. Exhale. Close your eyes and imagine money flowing into your life easily and consistently. Not just a small amount, but more than you're used to receiving. Imagine new opportunities, new income, and new levels of freedom becoming available to you. Now, as you see this, notice what comes up in your body. Do you feel open and relaxed, or do you feel tension, pressure, or even a sense of guilt? Notice if there's any part of you that feels like you need to prove something or earn your worth before you can receive more. Now ask yourself, on a scale from 1 to 10, how comfortable do I feel receiving more money than I ever have before? Just notice the number without judgment. Now take another slow breath in. Exhale. Now begin tapping on the karate chop point and repeat after me. Even though part of me feels uncomfortable receiving more money, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though receiving more money feels heavy, like it comes with pressure and responsibility, I choose to become aware of this. Even though part of me feels like I have to prove my worth before I can receive more, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Receiving more money feels unfamiliar. Part of me feels pressure around money. Part of me feels like I don't deserve it yet. Like I need to do more to earn it. Like I need to prove myself first. All this pressure around receiving money, all this weight attached to having more money, all these beliefs about earning my worth. keeping me stuck in the same patterns, keeping me overworking, keeping me from allowing money in. Part of me doesn't feel ready. Part of me feels overwhelmed by more money. All this resistance to receiving, all this discomfort in my body, allowing myself to notice it. What if receiving money could be easy? What if it didn't have to feel heavy? What if I don't have to prove anything? What if I'm already worthy? Maybe I've been making this harder than it needs to be. Maybe I can allow more money. Maybe I can receive without guilt. Maybe I can receive without pressure. I am allowed to receive. I am allowed to have more. I am allowed to let money flow to me. It doesn't have to feel heavy. It can feel normal. It can feel safe. It can feel like who I am. I am becoming someone who receives with ease. I am open to more money. I am ready for more money. I allow myself to receive more money. Money can flow to me easily. Money can feel light. Money can feel natural. Money can feel safe. I am receiving more money now. Take a slow breath in. Exhale. Close your eyes again and imagine yourself already living at this next level of your life where receiving money feels completely natural. See yourself moving through your day with a sense of calm and certainty, knowing that money flows to you easily and consistently. Imagine checking your accounts and feeling grounded, not overwhelmed, as more money is there. Notice how your body feels relaxed, your mind feels clear, and your emotions feel steady. You're no longer chasing money or forcing it, you're allowing it. You trust it, you accept it, and you receive it without guilt or pressure. Let that feeling settle into your body and become familiar, as if this is simply who you are now. Take a slow breath in. Exhale. Before continuing your day, drink some water. This kind of work shifts your internal state and your nervous system, and staying hydrated helps your body integrate these changes more effectively. And thank you for doing this work, because the more you release guilt around receiving money, the more naturally you allow it to flow into your life. And that's when everything begins to change and you truly start becoming a money magnet. Thanks for being here.